Alright, here's a good question. It says, what is the measure of an interior angle of a regular nonagon? Well, let's first analyze what they're saying. They're saying that I have a nonagon, which means I have 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I didn't do that exactly correctly, but that's something like what we have. It's a regular nonagon. It's not bad drawing. And so that regular means that all of these angles right here are equal. Now there's a formula that we have, and I'm going to prove the formula to you as I do this. So here's the formula. The formula has to do with what the sums of every polynomial adds up to. So let's say that I have a triangle. What does a triangle add up to? What do these three add up to?
180.
Good, 180. Well, what if I have a square or a quadrilateral, any kind of quadrilateral?
360.
They add up to 360. Well, the reason they add up to 360, the easy way to think about it is if you split that, take one of the vertices and split that into two triangles, I have one triangle, two triangles. So that's 180 times 2. Got it? If I have a pentagon, doesn't have to be a regular pentagon, but if I have a pentagon and I start from one vertex and I break it into triangles from that same vertex, how many triangles do I have? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 times 180, which equals what? Just add another 180 to this. 540. Right? What if I have a hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. Start from any one vertex and break that hexagon into triangles. How many triangles make up that hexagon? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I add up the angles of each one of those triangles, those angles would add up to the same thing that the angles, if I just added up the angles themselves. So this is 4 times 180. So you see the pattern, don't you? The pattern is however many sides or angles there are, minus 2, and multiply that by 180. So there's your formula. It's n minus 2 times 180. So you can use that for anything, including a nonagon. So if it's a nonagon, that means it's 180 times n minus 2. And well, n is 9, right? Nonagon means 9 sides. So 180 times 7. That's the total number of degrees. The total number of degrees is 180 times 7. And if it's regular, that means that they're all equal. So whatever this answer is, I'm not even going to multiply them out. Remember my theory, simplify before you complicate. I'm going to take 180 times 7, whatever that is, and divide it by what? By 9. And so let's just do that right now. Let's divide that by 9. 9 and 180 cancel out into 20, right? Because you got it. Follow that? So now 20 times 7, I don't even need a calculator. It's 140. So 140 degrees, that's your answer.